Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to put sticker on your window, big stickers. First step, we are going to clean the rear window in my case. So here's my cleaning water. It's just soapy water, nothing special. So I'm going to scrub it with a sponge, the area I want to put it. So I'm going to use this type of thing, squeegee. I use this for window cleaning as well as window tinting. You don't need this one. So this is the area I'm going to put sticker. So first step, I'm spraying some type of tint installation gel, but soapy water with alcohol will just do fine. Just a little bit amount of alcohol to make it easier to dry. This one is for installing tint. It makes it dries quicker. That's why I'm using it for tint. Now I'm going to peel off my sticker. As well, I'm going to use some type of lubricant. So now I'm going to place it wherever I want. In this case I can slide it left to right to adjust it with water. So I hope this looks straight. So you can just adjust it with the water if you don't put water behind it, between film and tint and between sticker and the window. You won't be able to adjust it, it's going to stick very quickly. And the next step, I'm going to use some card to, you can use paint card or anything, just older one, to get all the water out, like this. Just get all the water out, quick wipe. As you can see, it's still wet. The stickers coming out easily. So you might, if you want, you can leave it this like overnight, or grab a heat gun to quickly dry it. I'm gonna squeegee it once again to make all the water out. So now you can actually peel it, but it's still loose because the water is still between the sticker and window. You can carefully remove it. It will dry much quicker this way. If it's rainy outside, I won't recommend to do this method because you might sticker might become loose because of the water getting between sticker and window. Just carefully put the this liner as sharp as possible and then pull back carefully. As you can see, there's no sticking. Then you can if you're having something like this, just go back, tighten it with finger, and then carefully remove it. I'm going to remove this liner and then push back again the sticker to, so just like this. Or you can also use any type of card, just make sure you don't scratch the sticker or anything. Or damage your card, otherwise it won't be that good for you. I'm trying to remove all the air out. All the water between it. Just like this. Hopefully you liked my video. If you have any question, I'd be happy to answer too. So, thanks for watching.